Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing well. So, this is Saturday, so definitely an answer writing discussion video is supposed to come up. But more than being this a Saturday, it is a happy Diwali day. So, having the festive mood on, I am pretty sure a lot of us would not be studying and everything. So, the first thing that I thought was to take a break to enjoy the festive season, but then we actually cannot just keep apart everything and just go and enjoy. So, this is the revision of all what we've done. If you look at GS Paper 1 2014 to GS Paper 1 2017, you'll realize that there's only one question in history that we've discussed, that is over mid 18th century India and everything. So now the question is not that we've only discussed this, the question is that we had done the video on the history over the decline of the Mughals and the 18th century India, and there was only one question. So this is what I wanted to show you people, that see, it's just one question and we waste so much of our time. When coming to GS paper 2, there has been a lot of questions because directly indirectly they'd asked a lot of questions. So we've discussed over preamble, we've discussed over the fundamental rights, the freedom of speech, the freedom of expression and everything, the DPSP, anything that was there, that has been there, we've tried to complete it. And definitely we've not just taken out anything or ignored any of the question, because at the end we'll have to complete everything. When we come to GS paper 3, since we haven't started with everything, so yes, it's just the inclusive growth part that we are going to cover right now, and after that we'll move into the other questions and everything. So GS paper 3 has to take time because GS paper 3 is not yet completed for us, but then definitely we have time to complete answer writing discussions, but we definitely do not have time to delay, to procrastinate. So that's the whole point. And like I said, when you look at GS paper 2019 paper 1, you will find that the geography questions from GS 1 2019 is simple and you do not have to complete geography before starting with this. So we have really focused on GS paper 1 2019 because we had initially planned that we'll complete almost all the geography portions because they were easy and they did not require our preparation over the geography subject. The similar thing happened with us when we considered GS paper 2 of 2018 because the polity questions here were all direct, and if you look at the questions you'll realize, oh my god, these are all from Lakshmikant. It's not anything new. You just have to use your little mind, the analysis and everything, but it's not something that you cannot do without anybody's guidance or anything. You'll just have to sit with it. So this was there. Alright guys, this was it with today's video. The whole point of this video was to recollect whatever we've completed with regard to the answer writing discussions, because for those who are taking a break, they do not feel that they are left out. For those who are actually wanting to study and they're not taking a break, for them, they can go back, they can revise, because revision is more important than learning. So whatever answer writing discussions video have been there, you can go thoroughly complete. And apart from that, you can also look into that what all would you want to do, because GS paper 2 and GS paper 1 of 2019 and 18 we actually completed very fast and very swiftly. So yeah, you got time for that and everything. We meet next on Monday with a fresh start because Diwali would be over by then. Thanks for watching.